Today, we're gonna try out the fried chicken and sparkling wine together. The recipe we used was coming from Kent Rowlands on the YouTube channel. Check him out. It was a great fried chicken recipe. We did tweak it by adding a little bit more seasoning, a little different seasoning for us, because we didn't have his special seasoning that he makes. So right now, let's go ahead and open the bottle of champagne. Now, if you don't know how to open the bottle of champagne, then I'll show you. So you first want to take off, of course, the top, because how else are you going to get to the cage? So keep your finger always on the top while you undo the cage. So you're going to undo the cage. Keep your hand on it firmly, and you're going to actually rotate the bottle, not the cork. So slowly rotate it, and what we're hoping for is more of a whisper. You'll feel it push out. Believe me, there's a lot of pressure in there. And we're almost out. Oh, that kind of came out a little too much. It's supposed to be more of a whisper, not a pop. But we'll go with it because you can't redo it. We're going to pour the champagne, or sorry, the sparkling. And this is sparkling Verdelho from Broken Earth Winery. So they do make it the traditional method. So the second fermentation is in the bottle. So you're gonna go get those tiny bubbles. So we're gonna first do this. Nice small bubbles. You get the tropical notes, but you get that, you know, the bready, the biscuity that sparkling will have. So now, let's do the chicken. Nice and crispy. Let's try the sparkling with it. Wow, it really cuts through the fat. There's a little bit of saltiness in there. It totally cleanses your palate, and you're ready for that next bite. It enhances, I feel like, this sparkling. So let's try one more. So let me get it a little closer. And some of the breading kind of fell off, so. Yeah, definitely it's there. I feel like a little bit of even the notes up here kind of came through with the chicken. Great pairing. I would totally do this again. If you don't have a sparkling Verdelho, go with something that's kind of on the drier side. If you've got a really flavorful chicken, and you don't want it sweet necessarily, but if you do like sweet, I would go with a Prosecco. So here's to a great pairing. Cheers, everyone. Broom, 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 broom. We're going to do fried chicken.